Good evening, students. Welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. Here is Naresh Sharma, your English teacher. Today we will continue the topic voice of imperative sentences. Condition number one: when object is given, the structure of passive voice of this kind of sentences will be let plus object plus be plus third form. Example: open the gate. So gate is object. Let the gate be open. Next is don't invite her. Object is her. Let her not be invited. Okay. If sentence is negative, not will be here after object. Condition number two: when object is not given in the imperative sentences. So three kinds of modes may be there. First mode is order. When the imperative sentence shows order, the structure will be you are ordered to. When advice is there, you are advised to. Request, you are requested to. Example number one: stand outside. So you are ordered to stand outside. Take medicines regularly. This is advice. You are advised to take medicines regularly. Please come here. You are requested to come here. Please will be removed in the passive sentence. Okay. Next type, the sentences starts with let. Like let me play. This sentence shows permission. So it will be the subject of me will be I. I may be allowed because the subject is permitted to do something. I may be allowed to play. Let him go. He may be allowed to go. Next is let us go. This is suggestion. So we are suggested to go. Let us help the poor. This is a moral duty. So the poor should be helped. Next structure is of modals. In the sentences of modals, we use verb be with the modals. And he can eat 10 chapatis. So can will be can be. 10 chapatis can be eaten by him. We should pray to God. God should be prayed to. If any preposition is given after any verb, the preposition will be fixed with the same verb. Like pray to. So to will be here, it will not be removed. Okay. Next is they may help you. So you may be helped by them. Next structure is vague or known subjects. Vague is unclear. When subjects are not clear. So like someone has stolen the money. Here subject is not clear to anyone who has stolen the money. So it will not be mentioned in the passive voice. The money has been stolen. It is sufficient. The police caught the thief. This is a known subject because arrest will be done by only the police. This is known subject to everyone. That's why the police will not be mentioned here in the passive voice sentence. The thief was caught. Okay. Next structure is when helping verb is given has to, have to, had to in the sentence of active voice. We will add be after this verb. She has to complete the work. Answer will be the work has to be completed by her. They have to write an application. So an application has to be because application is similar and there was plural. That's why here was have and here will be has. An application has to be written by them. He had to call the doctor. So the doctor had to be called by him. Last one is when a clause becomes the object of the verb in active voice. Like we believe that God helps us. This is the object and this is a clause. Here clause is the object of verb believe. So when any clause is given in the place of object, we have to start with it. Okay, it, and according to this this sentence, the tense of the sentence is present tense, simple present tense. That's why here will be is. It is believed, because the passive voice will become only we believe. It is believed, and the clause will be the same, that God helps us. They say that you are a good student. So it is said that you are a good student. Thank you.